Here's an imprint of that fine little cardinal, and now we know how it can crack seeds.
These are one of our winter visitors. Bag. All around me I can hear pine siskins calling, which is kind of a neat bird too in the winter to have. So a dark-eyed junco. These guys are really fluttery and can be a little tricky to get at. And then once we get them in our hand, we gently place them into a bag and zip the bag up. And then we can reset the trap, which has a little bit of black sunflower seeds in there. And then it's all set to go again. And we'll take this guy inside and let the banders process him by looking at different characteristics about it to age and to sex it. This one doesn't have a band on it, but sometimes we get birds that have a band and they're a return. Check some other ones too. Hi, pine siskins. You guys are really hungry. You can try one. So these are called potter's traps. They're the technique we use in the winter to trap for banding our birds. In the summer or warmer weather, we use mist nets. But this way in the winter, the birds can keep moving when they're in the traps, so they stay warm. And that's why we use the potter traps. Okay, pine siskin, here we go. Let's go see who you are. I'll hang this one up.
Oh, yeah, I talked to him last night. Did he come?
Pine siskin, but we don't know if it is male or female, so we can't sex it right now.